Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download a copy of the information on your Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So personal information that Facebook is keeping track of you. If you want to see a list of that, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to generate that copy. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon at the top right, and then go down and select Settings and Privacy. And then you want to select the Settings button at the top of this list. Scroll down underneath Your Activity, and you want to select where it says Learn how to manage your information. So where it says select the product you need help with, select Facebook, and you can select I want to manage my data. And then you would follow along with the on-screen steps here to continue, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.